Hello and welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an entrance rack, shoe rack like this one with drawers. Okay, so first thing is we're going to come here on File and start a new project. For this project, we're going to have here on the dimensions of the empty cabinet 1000 and 1600. Okay, so we drag and drop and we have this. We are going to delete the baseboard and we're going to have something like this. Okay, now we're going to place one shelf in the middle, and for this top part we're going to come here on area divider vertical and we're going to place one here. It's just a division for you, it's not really in the project. Okay, and now we're going to place two drawers here and two drawers here. Okay, we're going to put a cover plate and we're going to change this dimension of the cover plate. So overhang front we're going to put 50. Okay, so it goes like this. Now we're going to apply the same material to everything. So come here, 25, search, and we just drag and drop the material that we want. And just like this, we have our design. If you have any questions about this, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.